हांव वेंचणुकेक उबो रावतलों. भाजपाच्या तिकेटीचेर काय ना तें अजून ठरोवंक ना. पूण लोकांच्या खोशये खातीर हांव वेंचणुकेक उबो रावतलों हें नक्कीच. टिटोस क्लबाचो धनी रिकार्डो डिसोजान जाहीर केला. आपलो राजकी फुडार जाहीर करतना रिकीन यू टर्न घेतला. आपले टिटोस विकले ना. ते विकपाचो म्हजो विचार आशिल्लो, पूण गोंयकाराच्या मोगा खातीर म्हाका तो निर्णय बदलचो पडलो.
कांय म्हयन्या आदीं रिकीन टिटोसाचो सगळो वेवसाय विकून लंडन सेटल जाता अशें जाहीर केल्लें. सरकारी अधिकारी आनी NGO आपली सतवणूक करतात देखून हो निर्णय घेतिल्ल्याचें ताणें त्या वेळार सांगिल्लें. तशेंच कांय दिसां उपरांत ताणें राजकारणांत प्रवेश करपाचो हावेसय उक्तायल्लो. भाजपाचे तिकेटीचेर वेंचणूक लडोवपाची इत्सा उलोवन दाखयल्ली. सरकारी अधिकाऱ्याक उजरावन काडटना ताणें लोकांक फुकट फ्लॅट दिवपाचें आस्वासन दिल्लें. फुकट फ्लॅट हो वेंचणुकेचो जुमला न्हय अशें ताचें म्हणणें. गोवा 365 खातीर बागांतल्यान समीप नार्वेकार आनी संदीप कामुलकार.
Will enter my vision. I'll give you an example. In the past, our ancestors left us the comunidad system. You all agree it's a good system?
Yes.
Okay. Now, what do we have for the future? We are losing our land to Delhi builders, Bombay builders, Hyderabad, wherever. What do you as Goans have for the future? So, hence my thing is one free apartment to each family in Kalangut, Kandolim, whatever, my constituency. One free apartment to each. Now people ask me, how are you going to give that free apartment? To present MLA and ex-MLA made a statement, it's not possible. I'm saying it's possible. Now how is it possible? You've all seen slum redevelopment in Bombay. That was free apartments given to slum dwellers. If you can give free apartments to slum dwellers, why can't we give it to our own people? Building wants to come into Goa, Kalangut, say, to build. We are saying to you, don't come unless the people are happy. Now, why am I saying? Because you're taking from the people. You're taking electricity. You're taking water. More congestion on the road. More pollution. Why should the people put up with all of this and to have a new hotel if the people are not benefiting? So my thing is, give 30% at least directly to the people. Don't bribe the MLA of the area, don't bribe the sarpanch, don't bribe the punch, don't bribe BDO, PDA. You all know there is a lot of corruption. If you're telling me there is no corruption, you're blind.
So MLA and sarpanch is accepting the bribe?
All over India.
But certainly Kalangut MLA and
All over India, I'll say. See, my vision is to change Kalangut and I benefit the people of Kalangut. Hence, I want one free I need political power to achieve the free apartments. If you're asking that question, you have still not understood how the apartments are going to
because this thing is a mere election promise to win the election is the problem. Empty promise or like. So how it is serious?
Listen, there's a hard logic behind that. Our people have been taken for a ride day in, day out. Unless you understand the logic I'm speaking, and there's a hard logic behind that. How is this apartment going to come? It's going to come from the builder. How is your free electricity going to come? It's going to come from the taxes that the non-Goans pay to the panchayat. There's a hard logic. Please understand that logic, and I'm asking everyone to look into the logic. It is doable. You are bought sometimes for 5,000 or 10,000 rupees. And after that, that MLA makes the money and builds his castles, his hotels, his farms and everything. And then you'll glorify these people, say, they're so rich. But this is the money of the people. So far, I am on my own. I want to see which party has my own vision. I've always been with the BJP in the past. But I also now want somebody who has my own vision. Otherwise, what's the point of me spending time here and wasting time? The world is big. The world, we're doing business worldwide. Why?
Has the BJP something promised you?
I wouldn't get into that at the moment because obviously Michael is their MLA.
So
they have
there's
to
a
sort out their own
controversy with
problems
Michael and the
first.
BJP right now. So the Michael is leaving, there's a confusion. So in that confusion, has the BJP High Command leaders have met you about your plans or because you have met them in past also?
I think this meeting, if I remember, is about the 50th year celebration of Tito's. Not about BJP and Michael and whoever. So I think you should cool down a little bit with that.
So
This shows that this shows that David really doesn't like politics.
I'm not interested in politics.
You're right. And
You
my
keep on
family,
asking
my
about politics
mom,
is not gonna.
my mom and him are dead against me joining
That's why I never do
politics.
interviews.
Dealing with medicines and doctors, anything can go wrong, and especially you're dealing with life. So how are you going to deal with accusations that might come up on you regarding you playing with people's life if they are being provided with medicines which are expired or something like that? How are you going to deal with that?
See, this pharma major, which we will disclose who they are world class. They are one of the biggest in India. They are all over the world. Give you a hint, they are going. And I trust them. Eventually, you go to a pharmacy, you have to check what you're buying. I'm sure the people are not that silly that they won't check. And we will have our own safeguards and checks. On my statement, we are discussing the sale of Tito's, and we were in very detailed and very late discussions with the people to buy. So a lot of, obviously there was other people who claimed that Tito's is going to shut down. Why, even if somebody who had bought it, why would Tito's shut down? Why would we shut down? Why would the new owners also shut down? So a lot of misreporting has happened.
It was just rumor.
Pointedly pointed out how this deputy collector by the name of Shetty harassed us. It is on my Facebook, the proof is there. Either the guy doesn't know his job or he was corrupt. Now you can decide which, both are bad. Either if you don't know your job, you shouldn't be running anything in Goa. You're harming business. Today our army is fighting China at the border. Where does the money come from? It comes from business. These people are anti-national. They should be destroyed, according to me. We are all sleeping and sitting here very quietly. Nobody's bombing us. No terrorists are bombing. Why? Because the Indian army is fighting at the border to keep us safe. Who funds the Indian army? Yours and my taxes fund the Indian army. Look, we are nationalists first and